In addition to getter methods, a class should provide methods for changing the values of fields whose values are allowed to be changed. These types of methods are called setter methods, and here's how they are created and used.
When you've set the access level or the access control of your fields to private, that means you're going to have to write methods to provide access to those field values, either setting them or getting them. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to write what are called setters. And setters are ways of setting the values of fields. And it's just a set of methods that provide the ability to do that. So in your class definition, and you can put them anywhere you want to. I'll just work down to the bottom. We'll get started. These are void methods because they don't return values. We're simply using them to set a value. So we're going to write public void, and we'll start with the month. Set month. And it's going to take a integer parameter, a month number. And then the simplest solution would just be to write this.month equals month, just like we did in the constructor. However, this is a good place to do some data validation. So what we might want to do is we might want to say, if month greater than 0 and month less than or equal to 12, this dot month equals month. Else, and here you're going to have to decide on some sort of default value. Or you can prompt the user to enter something else. I'm going to keep it simple and just have a default value. And we'll just set it to January. And this helps with the purpose of data hiding, so that now we're able to control the values that the user puts in for our field values. We can do the same thing for day. Move down. Public void set day. Int day. And here we might say if day greater than 0 and day, let's put a space there, less than or equal to 30. Again, remember we're limiting our days to 30. This dot day equals day. Else, this dot day equals 1. Again, I'm just picking that as a default value. Validating the year would be a little bit trickier, so we're not going to do that. We'll just simply assign the parameter to the field. Get rid of that dot right there. So now we have a full set of setters. And again, a setter is just a method that allows the user of a class to set one of the field values. And we use them because with the access level of our fields as private, we can't set them directly in code. We can only do it via a method, which is the right way to do it when you're building class-based or object-oriented programs.